In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 210 by 3 using the long division method. See that 2 is less than 3, that is why we will consider the number 21. From the multiplication table of 3, we know that 3 times 7 is 21. Subtract, we get a 0. Now 0 is less than 3. That is why we need to bring down this number 0 here. Now see that this is the number 0. So we will remove 1 0. And from the multiplication table of 3 we know that 3 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore 210 divided by 3 is equal to 70. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.